Today we will be testing the SuperTrend any indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SuperTrend any indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 65 different strategies, with 17 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 877 indicators, with 368 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 63 of the winning indicators. 25 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the SuperTrend any indicator. And so we've tested this one a couple times before. For those of you who haven't seen those videos, basically what this indicator does is it takes the SuperTrend indicator, the popular SuperTrend indicator, and it applies it to another indicator. And this particular indicator here, you can see the SuperTrend down here at the bottom. This particular indicator gives a list of the indicators that you can apply it to, and it draws the source of the calculation from that particular indicator and then displays the SuperTrend buy and sell according. Now in the last two videos, like I said, we tested the RSI and the money flow index. I put the accumulation and distribution on the screen and played around with it a little bit, but it gave very few signals. Like it would go like years without changing the SuperTrend color or the SuperTrend direction. And so obviously that one's not going to work out too well. We don't want to go an entire year and not even have one signal. And so we skipped over that one, and this one is going to be the momentum indicator here. Now the setup on this obviously is pretty easy. When we get a buy signal, we are going to go long. When we get a sell signal, we are going to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get that sell signal right here on the SuperTrend. We get a little bit of consolidation here, just kind of bouncing around, running sideways for a few days there before we get this nice drop to the downside. That would have gotten us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a buy signal right here on this one. Unfortunately, you can see it's right at the top of this peak right here, and we pretty much immediately max out. We make a little bit of an upward movement right here on this wick, but almost nothing before it then rolls over and pushes down to the downside there pretty strong. That would have stopped us out on this long there. Let's go ahead and continue on. Looks like we're almost to the end of the year. All right, we're then going to pick up a sell signal right there on that one. Looks like we get a little bit of a bump to the upside there as market makes a little bit of a correction, but then makes another nice push to the downside right there. That one getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You are welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, just charts in general where he's doing analysis of the Forex market. These are a couple of the kind of cleaner charts that he has posted. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators and just general trading knowledge kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool. And I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. And then we have our other admin, Jay, who also does really great at helping out, explaining things, walking people through different stuff and helping out. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The latest video that I put out was the 5-minute crypto scalping strategy right here. If you are looking for a strategy to start with, I highly recommend that you jump onto this video. You watch it, check out the strategy. It's a great strategy in there. I outlined the indicators that I use and explained that I am offering those indicators to our patrons. And so you just get a ton of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. So you can see there we have the 3 trades within the 1 year's time, and we have the 2 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Didn't make any progress on picking up more trades using the momentum indicator versus the other 2 that we used. I think the first one that we tested, the RSI, I think it was 3 trades also with 2 winners. And then I believe that the next one, the money flow, did 4 trades with 3 winners, if I'm not mistaken. Not 100% sure. I'm just kind of trying to remember back to those videos. And so it's interesting to see that this one kind of falls really close to those other two. So all in all, another interesting indicator, another interesting way to use it on another indicator. Obviously didn't give us a lot of trades within the 1 year's time. Wish it gave us more trades, but nonetheless, it's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.